Hi guys, it's Mama Rihanna. Welcome back to yet another amazing video recipe. So on our today's video, we're going to make some chicken gizzards, and after watching this video, you'll tell me that you have been making chicken gizzards with the wrong recipe. So I discovered this, and let me tell you, it's the best. So for our ingredients, we are going to use some gizzards, some paprika, black pepper, salt, some garlic, some Royco cubes, some red bell pepper, some onions, some ketchup, and some green onions. And after that, you are going to get exactly this, exactly as it looks like. And on our steps, so first you have to clean your gizzards. I was fortunate to get already cleaned gizzards, but of course you have to wash them again. So just soak them in some lemon water, and as it's soaking, I proceed to prepare some vegetables. Vegetable ingredients. So I'm going to cut my onions. You can also cut yours in any shape that you like. If you like them diced or cubed, that's okay. So guys, before we proceed, I want to thank the return subscribers for always showing love, for always coming back to watch my videos. And for those who are new here, if you're watching this video for the first time, I want to appreciate you. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'd really appreciate it if you can take your second to please subscribe and turn on the notification button, so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be among the first people to view it. And also, if you can give me a thumbs up and a comment, so it will really go a long way, and I will really appreciate it. So the comments, the likes, the shares, and everything, they really motivate me, so please keep them coming. Then let's proceed. You're going to put some water in a pan, let it boil, then add in the gizzards. So after you add the gizzards, let it boil, then we cover it and let it simmer for like 20 minutes until the gizzard is so soft. So they don't take a lot of time to cook because they normally come out crunchy. So yeah, it's okay. And when all the water is dried up, you add in some cooking oil. So I'm just using vegetable oil. You can use olive oil or any cooking oil that you use at home. Then fry this until the gizzards are golden brown. Then add in the garlic and saute to cook them. Yes, you can see. So some people always leave it at here and eat it at here, but that's not our recipe for today. So let's proceed. Add in the onions and the red bell peppers. Turn and let it saute for like 5 minutes or 3 minutes, and turning it. After that, we proceed to add in the powdered ingredients. That's the black pepper, our paprika, and salt. Then we turn to make sure everything is perfectly mixed, and then you add in your Royco cube. Don't forget, but this is also optional. So if you don't have it, you don't have to stress yourself with that. And then guys, so we put in some little water. So as you can see, I'm pouring it on the sides to prevent the water from washing the gizzards. And then turn everything, then let it cook for 5 minutes under low heat. So this helps to cook the ingredients down. Remember, we put in some spices, so we definitely need them to cook down. And then almost finished. Don't forget the ketchup. We add it in, let it cook down for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're just gonna finish off with some green onions for garnishing. Guys, it's so easy, so fast, a quick fix. You can make this, and our gizzards are ready. And guys, let me tell you, oh no, I'm not even going to tell you, because I want you to try this recipe out and let me know how yours came out in the comment section. And also, please let me know what you are having this with. So I had this with rice, and I also had it with some chapatis. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Until our next time, bye.